our Captain Pro. Let's see what it does. Accessories. Oh shit. You gotta love stickers your kids are gonna go nuts with. Ooh, that is little. $110, $220. Carrying case, airline, ground, carrying strap, 110 to 220, consumables, we got the plastic torch, about 10 feet I think, tools, ground, what does this thing do? I think it does on 110 it does not up to 9/16, so on 220 it does 1 inch. Let's see how it cuts. That's nice. Carrying case. We'll set that up in a minute. See how the cover goes on. And hold everything. Nice tight. Portable. Here. All the symbols and accessories. Added plug. Tools and straps. Little handing pack. Plug in. Ooh, that is nice and small. Ooh. Oh man, I wish I had that years ago when I started working. Carry that around the job site. Perfect. Let's see how it works. All right, we got it on 72, 50 amps. See how it cuts. Right through like butter. Oh, look at that. It didn't look like it cut. Perfect. The R Captain 55 MP plasma digital built-in air regulator with a water separator, cuts, back gouges, cleans the rust. You got a 2D and a 4D function. 2D, pull the trigger and go. 4D, pull the trigger, start cutting, pull the trigger to stop. all digital readouts for your air. Thing works great, light, easy to move. 110, 220. Shit, I wish I had this 10 years ago when I was on the job sites all the time. Half-inch seal, let's see how it does. Oh, that's a beautiful cut.